Hey, what up? It's your girl, Rena the Diva. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Ain't gotta say it twice. She gon' make me say it twice. Oh yeah. She bad, bad. She lit, lit. She poppin', poppin'. She thick, thick. Ain't gotta say it twice. She gon' make me say it twice. Oh yeah. She bad, bad. She lit, lit. She poppin', poppin'. She thick.
Today we have a seafood boil. Okay, you hear me? I have crab legs. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's probably a little too close, but I have crab legs. I have fried fish because I love fish, and that's something that I haven't seen nobody do. If you did it, it is what it is. I know I'm having fried fish today. I have shrimp. I have boiled eggs. I have potatoes. I have corn, and I also have 2 lobster tails. All right, you see the Anyway. So yes, today I'm having a seafood boil. I'm talking to y'all about a lot of things that I'm going to be bringing to YouTube. So let's get it popping. Oh yeah, and another thing. I made BLOVE sauce. Can't wait. It's really good. Hold on, let me get something to dip it. Hold on. Gentlemen. All right. So yes, today I wanted to do a seafood boil. I wanted to do a mukbang and get it popping. Let y'all know what I'm going to be bringing to YouTube and get it started. I got my hair, and I know I'm going to be doing all this, but I don't want my hair in my food. Please excuse the nails. I need to get it redone, honey. You hear me? So I got my clip. So I'm about to put my hair up in the clip because I don't got the time. All right, my earrings good. I like big earrings, big girl, big head. I love big earrings, so it's good. Today, I also have a bottle of water, and I also have my lemonade with my ice, and I love Simply Lemonade. It's the best. So yeah, I'm about to pour that in my cup and get it started. So how y'all doing? Yes, I am new to YouTube, but it's okay because fresh face, new shit, you hear me? I'm definitely in the future, I'm going to be doing vlogs. Ooh, I felt that run all the way down to my stomach. Okay, let me not drink too much. So, I'm going to be doing vlogs in the future. Right now, you know, since this is my very first video and it's also a mukbang with the BLOVE sauce, I'm going to be doing a lot more to come. Do you hear me? So get tuned, get prepared. I got a lot of stuff that I want to do with y'all, and you know, just definitely do mukbangs, vlogs, do other little things or whatever, but y'all see what I'm going to do. Now, as far as my BLOVE sauce, I don't really like it too spicy. I put a little bit spicy. I like more sweetness. So I definitely made it, you know, to my taste. Like BLOVE said. Shout out to BLOVE. I love your sauce, boo. I went by your YouTube and did it step by step. So straight up. I went to the Asian store, got the pickled ginger. I couldn't find a pickled ginger at no Walmart, no Kroger, no Food Line, no nothing. I had to go buy like an Asian type of grocery market place or whatever. So it's cool. But yeah, so let me try this thing. You know what? I'm gonna try it with a boiled egg. That's what I'm gonna try it with. Let me swivel it around. Hold on. Matter of fact, before I start, I want to do the thumbnail. All right, let's get it popping. So bam, I'll put it in there and okay. Got this big old thing. I can't even show y'all that I'm dipping it in the sauce. But so I got a spoon to try to get like all the stuff, like the ginger and the onions from the bottom. And I poured it on there and sorry y'all, I do be smacking. So I apologize if y'all hear A bunch of smacking. Ooh, that's so good. But yeah, you know, I've been wanting to do this YouTube journey for a long time. Just never got to it. You know how life goes, and you know I wanna. It tastes so good, y'all. If you have not tried BLOVE sauce, which I know figures that most people around the world has tried BLOVE sauce, either you done tried it on your own, made it on your own, got her sauce off Amazon. But her sauce is really, really good. I put everything. I put everything she said to put. The Coca-Cola, everything. So, and that, look, I'm licking my finger looking good, honey. Finger looking good. It is finger looking good. So yeah, it's really good. Sorry, that was my babies. But yeah, let me get some drink. Ooh, and I like the way I made it. And I also got this. I seen it in BLOVE's video. She likes to use this for hard stuff to cut. So I'm about to cut into this lobster right now. Cause honey, I ain't got the time to play with the seafood. I'm gonna get it popping. You hear me? I'm gonna get it together. So yeah, I just wanna I'm definitely gonna start uploading more. And I'm definitely gonna start uploading more. I know I'm about to make yours in a minute, okay? Ooh, get that for me, baby. Okay. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm definitely going to start uploading more content. Like I said, it's my very first video. I'm very excited for this journey. I want y'all to see my journey of my life and, you know, just get it together. Like, you know, God wouldn't put you in a situation that he know you couldn't handle. And I feel like God is everything to me. So I feel like if it's meant to be, it's meant to be, honey. So yeah, I'm trying to get this bad boy. Got most of it. Ooh, you see that lovely lobster? It's a little baby. It's okay. We're gonna get it together. All right. So I'm about to dip this thing on the nail. Let me try with the BLOVE sauce real quick. You see that? Ooh, see that onion? I'm trying to talk to y'all and eat at the same time, and I'm just sitting right here like, okay, I'm a little hungry at the same time, but we're gonna get this together. We're gonna that was so good. Cocktail. Making a mess. It's right here in front of me too. It's really good. But yes. Also, I'm gonna put in the description below of all my social networks. I'm not on Facebook right now at the moment. Took a break from it, which that's cool. You know, I'm not bugging. So I took a little break. But right now I do have Instagram now with my YouTube. And also I also have Snapchat. Oh. So make sure you follow. Also, I just want to bring something new, something different. You know, I know how it is when you're doing YouTube. You know, you want to do stuff different. Bring some new light. Not do the same old thing that everybody else be doing. So, I'm definitely gonna do that. Sorry. Like I said, you will see stuff that everybody's doing. MUKBANGs. All this stuff. But, I'm gonna also be doing something else I haven't seen anybody do on YouTube, so I'm very excited. But you know what? Different people, different situation, honey. Different people, different situation. Ooh. Different people, different situations. Because I'm different from everybody. Everybody different from anybody. You know how to best believe it's gonna be somebody new that's gonna bring different stuff to YouTube. But I just hope y'all like, I hope y'all like it. You know what I'm saying? If you like it, comment. Comment anything you want me to do. Talk about what y'all want me, like a challenge y'all want me to eat. Because I definitely do it. And like, comment, subscribe, share. Because I'm definitely gonna get it popping on my YouTube. And I hope y'all really like it. Ooh, look. That pickled ginger? That pickled ginger is it got a different type of taste. Like, I can't really explain y'all what it is, but it's just so different. Like, for real. And that egg too. So good. Look, it's dripping from my finger. BLOVE, you got the juice, girl. You got the mother juice. You hear me? This is some good ass. You hear me? Yeah. Yeah, shout out to the other YouTubers too that I also watch on the daily. Like, I watch BLOVE, I watch I think it's Ken and De'Ara. I watch Queens. I watch Choice TV. I watch it's somebody Miss Nanny or something. Oh, excuse me. Oh yeah, I can't forget Zoe. That's my boo-boo right there. I love watching his. I just be surfing through YouTube and stuff like that. So I really hope that y'all really enjoy my YouTube. I just wanted to show y'all that I made BLOVE sauce. And all that I was eating with it. Now I'm gonna try it with the fish, y'all. I don't know how it's gonna taste with the fish, but I'm gonna try it with the fish. I poured it on there. Poured it on there. Let me try. If y'all never tried BLOVE sauce with fried fish, try it, yeah. The best ever. Hands down. Hands down. Hands down. I'm gonna try one more time. I can't do it. This is so freaking good. With the BLOVE sauce with the fish. Look. Look at me. Stay drinking. Me, I'm a thirst hog. Like, I stay thirsty. Not like that. But I just always love drinking water or juice. I just always do that. Might get you full quick, but hey, stay food for later. But let me see about this crab real quick, y'all. Then I ain't gonna hold y'all up. I just wanted to tell y'all what I'm gonna be bringing to YouTube. Hope y'all enjoy. Like, subscribe, excuse me, comment. It tastes so good with that crab leg. I don't know if y'all eat that. Nah, I ain't getting no king crab legs. Them things expensive. Them king crab legs, you get what? It's expensive. So I got regular crab legs. And that's all, it's all good. Still gonna go down one way. So, you know me, honey. So let me get this thing popping. I pulled that out. I'm about to cut through this thing because I actually want to try it. Got my scissors on that. Because these crab legs, they really hard. They will hurt your hand. And I don't like that. Because, honey, my body is sensitive. My body, my skin, just everything. Sensitive. When I'm sitting right there having, you know what? It has been a while. But when I'm, when I'm having, you know what? I'm sensitive. You know what I mean? I get rough too, but I'm sensitive also. Yep, I'm just going to pour the juice on there and suck it up. My girl. BLOVE, how you do it, girl? Like, how? Like, how? Like, what made you come up with this type of sauce? Like, I really want to know. Because it's like the bomb to me. Like, It's like so good. It's so good. So freaking good. I wish I had the king ones. Because I be seeing everybody do it with the kings. And I'm like, okay, well, you know what, bitch, you bruh. Excuse my language. Remember you two got guidelines or something? So, I got bills just like everybody else. And when your bill due, when your bill due, it's like your bill's looking at you like this. You hear me? Should be too funny. Oh man. So I'm very thankful, you know what I'm saying, that God blessed me today to be able to prepare this meal. And enjoy it with the ones that I love. So, I'm gonna cut into them. That's one thing I can't stand about them little ones. These little crab legs. Because it's not really a lot of meat. So I see why when you go to like certain places and stuff to go to a seafood restaurant, you eating crab legs after crab legs after crab legs because you're not really getting full off of it. Like, you really not. You are not getting full off them shits. Because for real, I don't get full off crab legs. And I see now, even by me doing this mukbang, that I'm not going to get full off just the crab legs. That's why I see why people do it with, look at that. It done broke all up. I hate that. Man. Oh, well. Still don't get A, honey. Look, this is what I'm going to do. This is exactly what the fuck I'm going to do. Oh, well. It is what it is. It is what the fuck it is. That might be the ghetto way, but it's still good. Okay. I need some napkin, honey. Goes a long way. But yeah, I want to talk y'all's head off. I just want to sit right there and introduce myself to y'all. Hope y'all really like what I'm about to bring to the YouTube channel family, you know, and enjoy everything. You already know. It's your girl, Rena the Diva, honey. And I really hope y'all like it. Other than that, like, subscribe, comment, share. Tell me certain things that y'all would like to see coming from my YouTube. And, you know, I'm not the one to like to see about what the celebrities and stuff like that doing and who effing who's screwing what. I ain't doing that. I just want to show y'all me. You know, my life. Bring some fun, laughter, and just new stuff to YouTube. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do. Y'all see. Y'all see what I'm going to do. Oh, I ain't spilling nothing on my shirt. Surprising. I know that's like usually I don't spill stuff on my shirt. But yeah, it's your girl, Rena Diva. Y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.